Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to use any song as background music on Snapchat. First of all, you can just simply record the snap, or you can just simply click a picture by tapping on snap. In my case, I can only click picture. You can also record video here. And after this, you can just simply see the option music icon at the middle right side of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can just simply see the different songs in the Snapchat's library here, or you can search the song name by tapping on search. After selecting the song, you can just simply adjust the timeline of the song, and this is the way you can use any song as background music on Snapchat. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.